Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use jump insecticide for ants. First, carefully identify the specific type of ants you're dealing with and locate their entry points into your home. Always read the entire product label and instructions thoroughly before you begin any application. Remember to wear appropriate personal protective equipment, such as gloves and eye protection, to ensure your safety throughout the process. Once you've prepared, apply jump insecticide directly to visible ant trails and around the entrances of their nests. For a protective barrier, treat the perimeter of your home, creating a band about 2 to 3 feet wide around the foundation. Reapply the product as needed, but always adhere strictly to the frequency and dosage recommendations provided on the product label for optimal results. Safety is paramount when using any insecticide. Ensure that children and pets are kept completely away from all treated areas until the product has thoroughly dried, which typically takes several hours. Store jump insecticide in its original container in a cool, dry, and secure location, completely out of reach of children and animals. Dispose of any empty containers responsibly, following your local waste disposal guidelines. To maximize the effectiveness of jump insecticide, it's crucial to eliminate other attractants. Seal any cracks or openings in your home's foundation and walls, and promptly clean up food spills. Consider using ant bait stations in conjunction with the spray for a more comprehensive approach, targeting ants that forage for food. Regularly monitor for new ant activity and reapply if necessary to maintain control.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.